We are counting down our coverage to Hollywood's biggest night, the Oscars on Sunday. We want to make sure your Oscar bash is fit for any A-lister. So here with the DIY decor for a winning party is lifestyle expert Bahia, who is the owner of On the Purple Couch. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to show you what we have going on.
Yes, so let's start with something that's I know that Eileen Whalen is going to absolutely love because she loves anything that has glitter on it. But what did you do here?
This is something that we all do. We all love glitter. You can't get enough of it. I took my regular little Perrier cans. I love these little guys, and we'll use them in a little second. A little bit of Mod Podge and a little bit of gold for Oscar, because everything with Oscar is gold and black.
Right.
Painted them with the Mod Podge and then just dunked my guys in the gold. And I have a nice little, you know, sparkly drink that I can show on my table to dress the table or as an accessory.
All right, let's talk about some fun Oscar cocktails.
That's right. Now, so this is TV. I'm not going to give you any alcohol.
You could have. Yeah. I like it
that
when you
been
do,
nice.
But that's okay.
Great. So what I did with this, I just got a nice little fruit juice I had at home, a little bit of Perrier water, added it a little bit of fruit, a little bit of raspberries, and then just jazzed it up a little bit. Of course, at home, you can do your favorite spritz or Prosecco and so forth.
And let's talk about what you did with the glasses there.
Thank you. Aren't those cool?
Yeah, it's awesome.
I don't know what's going on, but everywhere is huge sales on these things. So these are just little inlays, right? I took my glass and I just pasted it on there. Very nice and simple. Dressed up my glass. Again, black and gold is for Oscars, and that's what I did. Just glammed up my glasses.
Awesome. Just come on here. They're little stickers.
That's right. Nice and simple.
Let's talk about dressing the table up.
That's right. So we've done some little lower cost ideas, and now I brought my really nice chocolates.
Yeah.
So another way of displaying them, I have some Godiva chocolates here, and then these beautiful lint balls, which are just nice and delicious. A nice way to treat your family and friends as you get around the table and enjoy Sunday's show.
I love these because it's not your traditional Oscar, but everybody wants some kind of statue there.
That's right.
But this is different, unique, and I like it. So what do we do here?
Right. So I went to IKEA the other day. These guys are like $5.99, and they're artists use them to draw models and whatnot. Well, these are our little Oscars.
Yeah.
So I did a little bit of gold paint, and I did some gold leafing here, so that's a little bit more fancy. These will be on my table or as people walk in, and we can all get into the spirit, and these are our little Oscars.
And how long did it take you to do those?
It took about 5 minutes.
Not
these are all nice
hard
and quick.
at all.
Exactly.
Party bags when everybody leaves.
That's right.
Simple.
Very simple and a little bit of glam. So these are my little brown paper bags, really nice. And then I got these from the aisle, the gift wrap aisle. I just stuck this on here. You would fill these up with whatever you wanted, maybe some chocolates, some candies, or if you wanted to, you had a small group of people, you could do some nice treats in there as your own little swag bag.
Very nice. You have to have popcorn when you're there.
You do. And we want to show people another way of entertaining. So I just took my regular champagne glasses and dropped my popcorn in there and just displayed it a little bit differently, give it a little bit of pizzazz. Notice on the table we have different levels of height. At home, when you set your table, you want to do the same thing. Yeah. And then finally, I have just Hershey Kisses that are just wrapped in gold because Oscar is gold and black.
Love it.
Those are nice and simple treats.
Bahia, where can people find you on the Purple Couch?
Thank you. On thepurplecouch.com or in Rockville at Artisan Maker Studio.
Okay, can't wait to come out and see you at the studio as well. Thank you for being with us. Happy Oscars. We're going to have more of Good Morning Washington.